Every war teaches the same brutal lesson. If you don't make your own weapons, you won't survive the fight. In World War II, the US outproduced every Axis power. One factory, the Detroit Arsenal, built over 25,000 tanks. By 1945, America was making 40 billion bullets per year. That firepower didn't just win battles, it overwhelmed the enemy. Now fast forward. In 2022, Ukraine was firing 90,000 artillery shells per month. But NATO could only produce a third of that. Suddenly, ammo became more valuable than strategy. And look at Germany in WWI. They had soldiers and skill. But by 1918, British naval blockades choked their war industry. No steel, no powder, no hope. Lesson? You can't depend on allies or imports when the bombs are falling. Fighting power is production power. No factory, no freedom, no bullets, no victory. History doesn't care who started the war, only who could finish it.